everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Tech X YouTube channel, guys. In this video I will show you how to download and set up Kali Linux in Oracle VirtualBox using the pre-built Kali Linux VM. This is the fastest way to get started with ethical hacking practice. So let's get started. First we need to download all the necessary files. One is Oracle VirtualBox and another one is Kali Linux VirtualBox machine. So let's open browser. I simply type Oracle VirtualBox download and it will direct through this first link and then click here Windows host. Simply click on it and it will open Oracle VirtualBox. I have downloaded it already, so I am cancelling it. You have to download it complete. When it's download completely, double click on it and just simply click next and finish the setup for Oracle VirtualBox. Now let's download Kali Linux VirtualBox virtual machine. Simply type getkali.org. I think it's kali.org. Yeah, this is go to download section. Here if we want to download ISO file, then we will go through this, but we have to download VM machine of Kali Linux, so we will go through this. And here important to see, guys, there are different versions of VM for different softwares virtual machines. So we are working on Oracle virtual machine, so we have to download this VirtualBox. Click on download. It's almost 3.2 GB of file, and simply save. Okay, I have downloaded and I'm cancelling, so you have to download it completely. After successful download, you have to extract this with the 7Z extractor. Okay, so I hope, guys, both steps are complete, will be complete. Okay, and let's move to next step. Let's open Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, click on open. You will see I have practicing on Kali Linux previously, so that's why this giving us we have to click on add button and go for where you download that Kali Linux VirtualBox AMD64. I am located here, so file is located here, and then Kali Linux VirtualBox machine. It is latest, so click on that. And basics and this. Let's first close this, remove only. Okay, so add daily folder for VirtualBox AMD64 and this is and click on show. It will powering VMware. This is not our job. Here it is powering its VM machine up. Ignore this pop-up. And it simply redirect us to this. Ignore this pop-up, guys. So here is Kali Linux machine. After successful setup, first we have to run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and type Kali for default Kali, and it should be all packages and installers should be updated and upgraded. So that it ensures the all security compliances are patched successfully. If login screen pop up, use this default username and password if you use Kali Linux virtual machine. Okay, so guys, that is all. You know how Kali Linux running virtual machine पर दिखेंगे in this video. And draw if you like the video, drop a like, comment and subscribe for more cyber security tutorials. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. See you next video, guys. Thank you.